Have you been told that you have fatty liver disease, elevated liver enzymes, or liver inflammation? What if some of the foods in your kitchen right now could help support your liver's natural ability to repair itself and function better? Many people believe that once the liver is damaged, there is very little they can do. But modern research has revealed something remarkable. The liver is one of the few organs in the human body that has an incredible ability to heal and regenerate when given the right support. Today, I'm going to share some of the best foods that researchers believe can help support healthy liver cells, reduce inflammation, and create the conditions your liver needs to repair itself naturally. Make sure you stay until the end, because one of the most powerful liver-supporting foods may already be in your daily routine. I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now, and let's add healthy years to your life. Let's start with an important truth. No food can magically cure severe liver disease overnight. But research from leading medical institutions in the United States shows that certain foods can help reduce inflammation, lower oxidative stress, improve metabolic health, and support the liver's natural repair mechanisms. The first food is coffee. This surprises many people. For years, coffee was often viewed as something unhealthy, but today, coffee is one of the most researched beverages for liver health. Multiple studies have found that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of liver scarring, fatty liver progression, and certain liver diseases. Researchers believe coffee contains natural compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress inside the liver. If you already drink coffee and your healthcare provider has not advised against it, moderate consumption may be beneficial for liver health. The second food is fatty fish. Fish, such as salmon, sardines, trout, and mackerel, contain omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and improve fat metabolism. Many people with fatty liver disease accumulate excess fat inside liver cells. Research suggests that omega-3 fats may help improve how the body handles fats and support overall liver function. The third food is leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, and other leafy vegetables are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. These foods help support the body's natural detoxification processes and provide important vitamins that contribute to overall health. People who eat more leafy greens often consume fewer processed foods, which can further benefit liver health. The fourth food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These natural compounds help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Scientists continue to study how these antioxidants may help support healthy liver tissue and reduce inflammation. The fifth food is extra virgin olive oil. This healthy fat has become a cornerstone of many liver-friendly diets. Research suggests that olive oil may help improve markers of metabolic health and reduce the accumulation of excess fat in the liver. Replacing unhealthy fats with healthier options like olive oil can be a simple but powerful change. The sixth food is nuts. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and other nuts provide healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and important nutrients. Studies have found that people who regularly consume nuts as part of a balanced diet often have better metabolic health and improved liver-related markers. A small handful can be a satisfying and nutritious snack. The seventh food is oats. Oats contain soluble fiber, which supports digestive health and may help improve cholesterol levels and blood sugar control. Since metabolic health and liver health are closely connected, foods that improve blood sugar balance can also benefit the liver. The eighth food is garlic. Garlic contains natural compounds that researchers believe may help reduce inflammation and support healthy metabolism. Some studies suggest garlic may help people with fatty liver disease improve certain health markers when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. The ninth food is cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and bok choy. These vegetables contain plant compounds that support the body's natural detoxification systems and provide important nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. Broccoli, in particular, has attracted attention in liver health research. The 10th food is beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans are excellent sources of plant protein and fiber. These foods help support healthy blood sugar levels and can be a great alternative to highly processed foods. Now, here is something extremely important. Knowing what to eat is only half the story. You also need to know what may be hurting your liver. Highly processed foods, sugary beverages, excess alcohol, large amounts of added sugar, frequent fast food meals, and highly refined carbohydrates. These foods can contribute to fatty liver disease and ongoing inflammation. Many people spend money searching for miracle supplements while continuing habits that place stress on the liver every day. The truth is that the liver responds best to consistency. Healthy foods, regular movement, good sleep, weight management, stress reduction, and routine medical care. When these habits work together, the liver often has an opportunity to recover and function more efficiently. Another interesting area of research involves the gut-liver connection. Scientists now know that the health of your digestive system can influence liver health. Foods rich in fiber, vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains help support a healthier gut environment. A healthier gut may contribute to lower inflammation throughout the body, including the liver. Many people ask me which single food is the best for liver regeneration. The answer may surprise you. There is no single miracle food. The most powerful approach is combining multiple liver-friendly foods into a consistent eating pattern. Think of your liver like a garden. One healthy food is like watering a single plant. A healthy lifestyle is like nourishing the entire garden. That is where real transformation happens. The good news is that small changes can produce meaningful results over time. Adding more vegetables, choosing healthy fats, eating more fiber, reducing sugary foods, walking regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight. These habits can help create the conditions your liver needs to repair and thrive. Your liver works around the clock to keep you healthy. Every meal is an opportunity to either support that process or make it harder. The choice you make today can influence your health for years to come. If you want to support your liver naturally, start with simple daily habits and nutrient-rich foods. Your future self will thank you for it. I'm Dr. Tane, making healthy aging simple for you. Because your health isn't just about you, it's about the people who love you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.